Welcome to Carvin Software's instructional videos of Staffing Complete. This video will provide a general overview of the Formats tab found within the Setup module. Start by navigating to the Setup module. The Setup module contains much of the foundation for Staffing Complete. Think of this module as the administration or the admin module. There should be a limited amount of people who have access to this module. If something is changed in this module, it has the potential to affect everything else in the database. Those with access to this module will set up permissions, check formats, taxes, calculations, control users, and make high-level changes. Keep in mind that many of the fields within the Setup module are for specific processes that shouldn't be changed or toggled without learning the functionality first. There are 11 tabs in the Setup module: Office, Users, Bank Account, Taxes and Deductions, Types, Formats, Checklist, Locality, Company, ACA, and Accrual Plans. Remember, all required fields on each tab are marked with an asterisk next to that field. The Formats tab is where you can insert, copy, and modify formats used within the software for 4 major outputs: checks, invoices, orders, and quotes. Each format type is kept under its respective subtab and has a drop-down for each type. The type selected will set the logic for the associated format. We strongly suggest reaching out to support for modification requests, as it's a high-level process that can easily break the format. The Checks subtab is where the AP, pay card, direct deposit, and standard check formats reside. You can change the type as well as print single sample, which allows you to test your printers without printing live payroll. The Invoice tab serves the same format function with the additional ability to change how the items are grouped and listed by using the drop-down menu under Sort Order. Keep in mind that the appropriate invoice type would need to be selected in the Customer module, Profile tab, Invoice Format. The Create Invoice By field in the Customer module Profile tab will also affect the way invoices are generated. The Orders tab has 2 columns: the format name and type. The type is the frequency of the order format. There are 7 order frequencies to choose from: annually, biweekly, daily, monthly, quarterly, semi-monthly, and weekly. Most of the existing order formats differ on the style if you're printing daily or weekly tickets. The last tab is the Quotes tab. The Quote tab lists a variety of quote formats. Staffing Complete has the ability to generate a quote directly from the system. This will be what is physically sent through mail or email to the potential new customer. Quotes are typically multi-page formats. All quote formats will display as options when selecting the quote format in the Quote module Print Quote Letters tab Format dropdown. For more information regarding the Setup module, please visit our wiki at the address linked on the screen.